A PC that boots clean and games with zero black screens or driver crashes. Here's how we fix Nvidia driver crashes and black screens. First, grab two things: Display Driver Uninstaller from wagnarsoft.com, NVCleanstall from techpowerup.com. These are the same trusted tools repair shops use every day. Just get them from those official pages, never a random mirror, and you're safe. One catch: if your crashing started right after a driver update, download the version right before the newest instead. Both links are in the description. Now reboot into safe mode. This loads Windows with the bad drivers shut off so it can be fully removed. If your screen's already black, hold the power button to force a shutdown. Then do that twice, more as it boots. It's safe here, it just triggers Windows recovery. From there, click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, press 4, and restart. The screen comes back stripped down in low res. That's safe mode working, not a new problem. Once you're in, open Display Driver Uninstaller, select GPU, then Nvidia. Before you click, know this strips out every corrupted driver file a normal uninstall leaves behind. Hit Clean and Restart. After it reboots, open NVCleanstall, hit Next, tick Perform a Clean Installation, and disable installer telemetry and advertising. Then let it install. Now reboot, and once you do that, your desktop loads at full resolution with the crashes and black screens gone. One more thing, if a random black flicker still shows up, open the Nvidia app and switch G-Sync off. That's the common cause. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Nvidia videos.